Good evening, team. Am I audible? Please do confirm. And is my screen visible to you all? Please confirm quickly. You're sure, Reshmant will see today. I see newcomers here. Sachin, Mahalakshmi. Am I right? Are you first time joining this class today? Is this first class for you? Mahalakshmi, Sachin. Bachi, that's okay. Don't look at those deadlines. You can submit later also. It's not mandatory to follow those deadlines. Mahalakshmi, you there? Sachin, you there? Guys, we'll start in next 5 minutes because we have received new link. Probably others also trying with old link, due to which they couldn't able to join us on time. So we'll wait for them and we'll start. Hi, Sharma. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Today climax, right? So there must be different. Just kidding. Hi, Saurav. Meanwhile, guys, you can download this last module information. So you can quickly go to your LMS. And if you scroll down in class project, from this in class project, you have to download demo, dataset 1, 2. That's it. You have to download these three things and don't download last one. Get ready with these three. I see three new joinees here, Mahalakshmi, Shekhar, and Sachin. Guys, today it's a last class. So just for your information, if you are joining uh, by thinking that it's a fresh batch, not a fresh batch, today is the last class. Guys, please download this demo data set 1 and 2. Then I will quickly walk through those in class project. Then you can do a hands-on. Yeah, Anuja, definitely. I will take you through that certification project as well. You will get certification from Edureka, not from Microsoft. You're welcome. Dataset 1 and 2. Good evening, Anupama. Good evening, Atul. Hi, Deepali. Sonakshi. Sunil. Guys, please log into your LMS and download this three files, demo, dataset 1 and 2, wherein you will see two Excel workbooks with one PDF file. Okay. We'll start in next 1 minute. Hi, Fatima. Yes, Fatima, you have to download these three files. Or just give me a second. Erase all. What you have to download in demo. Just demo. We have to download dataset 1, 2. I think 3 is not required. I'm sorry. 3 is not required. 1 and 2. Here you will see one PDF, and in dataset 1 and 2 you will see some Excel files. So get ready with that. Then we'll kickstart in 1 or 2 minutes. So guys, again, shall we take first off with project, or can we do this project in second off? How do you want me to proceed? Because I have a couple of things in my plate to explain you. So how do you take this one? In this whole project exercise, I see only first off project. Oh, great. Then go ahead with project. First off project. Perfect. So if you open this PDF file, let me open. Where it is. Demo. Yep. So as I said, always, right? Whenever you are getting a work to do or reporting, right? So in initial stage, you have to spend some time to read, to understand your data. Then only you can do visuals, and you can put some right information or actionable information out of the data. If you not spending enough time in order to understand data, then probably you can write some visuals. That's okay, but not exactly what your stakeholders are looking for. Okay, so spend some time to understand your data. So what is order ID? Okay, what is ship mode? What do you mean by first class? What is the difference between first class and second class? What is same day? Okay, what is segment? So there is nothing wrong at all to know about your data, right? It's a primary and most important, to know about your data. So if you see in our in-class project, right? So over you, in this module, we will implement the knowledge acquired from previous module. That means whatever we learned from module number 1 to 9, okay, we are going to connect those all dots in this project. To be honest with you all, this is all simply drag and drop. Okay, there is nothing much. I'm sure you're going to crack this in 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay, only this area, if you see this one, I'm not going to tell everything, and of course I'm not going to do along with you because I did too many times, but this I am here to help you out if you stuck anywhere. Okay, so situation, global superstore is an online supergiant store that was worldwide. These are the some story they have given. Okay, I'm not going through this all lines. At the end, what is output they are looking for? Final report should like contain below 2 pages. Okay, one would be summary level. Here we'll see some graph, line chart and tree map. Again, this column chart. Here a table, okay, which includes some numbers and visuals. Here also, if you see region contribution in profit, right? So by looking at this, you should understand, okay, they might have done some conditional formatting due to which these numbers are or this background color is changing. Okay, and if you see here, click on below button to toggle between sales and profit. Who will tell me how we can achieve that? Who can tell me this? What they said? Let me maximize this. Sneha, perfect, Nina. It's a button but bookmark, right? So this, I feel this is only one area you have to focus much if you are not already done practice on this bookmarks, or else the rest all are very pretty easy, straightforward. Okay, next, what is the next thing? This is here you have a QA analysis. This is also pretty same. You are going to drag map visual onto your canvas, and this is a QA where you will place this QA on canvas. That's it. So again, don't scroll down more, because if you scroll down more, you will see solution also. So how you can get the, so what are here key things we have to do? Total sales, and what is profit, and what, how we can get profit ratio. So in real time also, they will not give you formula to calculate profit ratio. They will simply ask you to show trend analysis. Okay, they will simply ask you to show uh, net growth. Okay, these are our basics. So if you do some Google to calculate net growth and trend, okay, and some other formulas, you can get it very easily. Other than this, these all are standard basically. That's why they won't give you standard formulas to calculate. Sometimes they will get some different business scenarios based on their business requirement. So they will give you very clear picture what to consider, what not to consider in your calculation. We call them as a business rule. Okay, what we'll call them? Business rule. So these business rules will be given by our stakeholders. Nothing to worry about it. So sometimes other than these business rules, other than this, you may get some request to, as I shown, you may get request to have some trend analysis. Okay, and what else? Net growth percentage or profit ratio. How do you get this profit ratio? This simply profit by sales. If you do, then you will be getting ratio. Okay, some basic max is needed here. Other than that, nothing is required. So guys, how you can get the total sales, how you will get the profit, how you will get the profit ratio. So these all up to you how you can do this, and get ready. So this is summary, and go ahead and start building this report. I'm here to help you out if you're stuck anywhere. In order to build this report, you need to have a two tables. One is order table. This one superstore data, you need this. I already opened. This data is needed. From this, you need to have these three files. Please append those three files. Okay, once this is done, then go back to your project. I mean, go back to your Power BI desktop. Once you upload the data, then start doing this. Don't look at the answers. Whatever you know, just go ahead and do it. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? Yeah, we have here only two data set. In one Excel workbook, we have it 3 sheets. Please download, please append this. Please please upload these 3 sheets into your Power BI environment. And other than this, there is another sheet, I guess. It's not needed, but again, it's good to have it. What is that? Let me check. I think it's about dates, date sheet, I guess. Date table, yeah. You can download that one also. Just give it a try and let me know. I'm on mute. If you have any queries, please do let me know. Let me, yeah. Don't try to bring as it is because they played few tricks here. So probably you're not going to get what exactly they did here. But if you bring your dashboard very close to this, that is sufficient. Why you are using Saro, append as new? You simply upload data, those 3, that's it. Once you upload the data, yeah, just go to your data view and see whether everything is corrected or not. First point is uploading data, then formatting data. Okay, here we don't have exactly to do formatting, but just have a look there whether headers, everything is in place or not. Okay. Prashanti, today agenda is to do this mini project. Okay, so to do this, you have to log in into LMS, and if you see here, in class project, go there and download this demo dataset 1 and dataset 2. These three files you have to download. In demo, they mention what we have to do in PDF. Hi Rahul. Okay, in dataset 1 and 2, you have a data here to use for your dashboard. Hi Rahul. Is it clear, Prashanti? I'm not able to log in from laptop. Okay, then why don't you try with desktop? Just kidding. Yeah. Where you couldn't able to log in this LMS? Ha. There is another link, Rahul. There is another link they shared for this. So you have to use that one. Even first, yeah, can you please share? Yeah, sure, why not? Even I tried with link where it is. It's the same 16th May. Okay, copy link. Okay. Take this one. 16th May. This is just one. June 6th, today's only. Yeah, perfect. You're welcome. Yep. Prashanti, just log in into your LMS. Okay, once you log in, you see this all modules, left hand side. So just click on this in class project. That's okay, Rahul. Yeah, for Prashanti and Rahul, go to your LMS. Okay, you will see your enrolled class called Microsoft Power BI certification. Click on it. Left hand side, you will see all the courses here. Have you seen your recording versions? Same place. You will see this. So go, click on this in class project where you will see demo dataset 1 and 2. Hi, Raju. Is it clear, Prashanti and Rahul? No worries. Just try to get it. Rahul, Raju, Prashanti, is it clear? Are you on track? Rahul says, sir, please share the link of downloadable. Okay. Rahul, you see this one? Okay, do one thing. Let me place this all in Google Drive. Okay, guys, just give me a second. Let me download this. Download. I'm just downloading those things. Dataset 1, dataset 2. This is done. I'm going here. The copy, bash 2. Okay, create new folder in class project. Paste it. Copy this in class project. Copy this. Do you have link for G Drive? What we used in our first class, Rahul? Yeah. Then I'm placing these files in same location. Okay, you can download it. I'm not sharing my screen. Just hold on. Where we have Power BI. Yes. Mhm. Right click folder upload. Click on this batch to class. Yes, Rahul. I just placed in Google Drive. Just do a refresh. You will see there one file, one folder called in class project, wherein you will be having 3 files. One is PDF, 2 Excel workbooks. Okay, perfect. Yes, Fatima, that's true, correct. Okay, let me share my screen.
You have to make it, that's true, correct answer. You have to turn into percentage. It's a number, Fatima. Yeah. Prashanti, I will give you it. Oh, where this links. I think this is the link. Go ahead, Prashanti. Prashanti, if you don't see that folder there, then please do let me know. Or if you couldn't able to access this, just let me know. I placed one folder called in class project. You have to download that folder and you'll see 3 files. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, Rahul. Guys, we have to work on with Superstore data. Yeah, Sahana Siddika, what I understood, that's true. It's Superstore data is sufficient to do this project. But again, to see relationships and all, right? If you download 3 files and if you see my model, right, we will get some extra understanding about modeling also. But again, you can use this this date from date table, or you can use date from order tables also. It's up to you. Yeah. Nilesh, for you, I gonna give you one link. You will get whole information there itself. Clear? Yeah, perfect. Guys, if you have any queries regarding Power BI after this session also, you can always reach out to support team, and there is a one option to discuss your queries in Edureka. If you really needed any support from trainer, you can ask support team, then they will patch your call to trainers. Okay, no worries. But guys, one humble request is it should be our codes related stuff only to just clarify your dots. Because last time one call passed with me, so that guy asking about his interview project. He got one interview and interview asked him to crack the project. So please we don't entertain such projects. But if you have any queries regarding our concept and all, please you can always reach us to us. Yes, Rahul. So you have to calculate total sales. How do you calculate? You have a normal sales and you have a units. So if you multiply, then you will get total sales. Yes or no? Guys, total sales, probably you're just placing your sales value into this column in this shelf or in this card. That's okay. But actually a total sales means you have to multiply sales with unit. Then you will get total sales. I know who joined now. Just now somebody joined. Please raise your hand. I will help you out to serve me. Oh, Sandeep. Sandeep, we are doing here in class project. So in order to get files and all, you have to log in into your LMS. Go to in class project here, where it is. Your in class project. Download demo, dataset 1 and dataset 2, and start building this report. Thank you, Vivek. Prashanti, you have a sales and you have a unit price. How do you get it? One pen cost is 10 rupees and you purchase 2 pens, 2 units. Then what is total? 20, right? Prashanti, that's how you'll get the total sales. You have to multiply sales with unit, then you will get total price. Fatima, how to make total sales in dollars? Condition, it's simple formatting, right? You place your mouse, you click on your measure, for example, total profit or total sales. You see here. So once you place this, you see your format, percentage or currency. This is how you can do a format on this. You're welcome. Yes, Rahul, correct. You're on track. Yes, Fatima, just look at these visuals. You'll get some clarity. Welcome, Rahul. Okay, Saurav, guys, so if you don't see this year ready-madely available in your data, what you have to do? Let's go to order tables. Don't you see any year column here? Oh, yes. No, but do you have order date? Yes, I have order date. Can you extract year from this order date? So just extract year from this order date. You will get year. Getting? Yeah. Olu, very simple. If you return this total sales, total profit, click on this. The moment when you click on this measures, you will see here, measure tools. Here is a place where you can do format. This is total profit. So it's in currency. Profit ratio, where is profit ratio? Here. If you see, it's in a percentage. Can't see anything. Now you first have you written measure for total profit, total what is profit ratio? If we write measure, click on it. Your screen was blank. Oh. Guys, is my screen blank? No, Saurav can able to see. Olu, I think you have to check your. Okay, so probably you have a network latency. What I said, if you click on measure, you will see this extra tabs. Click on measure tools. You will see the area to do formatting to your measures or table. Clear? Thank you. I think you all are doing great job, guys. I didn't see any queries around this project. That's really good sign. Keep it up. Yeah, Rahul. So are you adding extra column in data? Then that's correct. If you are adding here in this order table, then you will get right number. Getting, Rahul? Yeah. In order table, you simply can right click, new column. You can introduce your new column. There is another way also to do this, but again, this is also fine. Let me do a copy paste your formula. You just remove this sum of. You have quantity, right? You have a quantity and you have a unit price. Quantity, you see my screen, Nina, multiply with unit price. Then it's your total sales. Rahul, you see? That's it. Ha. If you see, guys, Mahalakshmi, if you see here, this is not a multi-cut at all. Okay. As I said earlier, they played few tricks here as if it's a multi-cut, but it's not a multi-cut. It's a, if I do operation on this, you see now, I just removed that box. It's a text box surrounded by these three individual cards. If I place over on this, it's a single card. It's a single card. It's also single card. Getting? And this is a text. Yeah. Yes, Fatima, you have to build that interaction. Guys, could you all just focus on this chat? Bookmark. You can hold other charts also because it's a tricky. So rest dollar we can quickly drag and drop. Is it okay? Is that okay, guys? Fatima, where you have to see here? What is your intention here? To do two props, right? You see here, take this one. Total sales. This is total profit. So we need to have two graphs. Okay, let's create this. Let's bring line chart. Put order date here. Okay, then let's create one profit. Total profit. Yes. This is your, let's assume this is your profit. What I'm doing now, I'm just copying this, copy this and paste. Mhm. Copy, paste, so that you will get same length and same height of this. So from here, I'm just removing. This is my profit and this is my sales. Fair enough. Now I have to get buttons. Let's bring blank button, blank button. I have to name this style text on show profit. Let's again another button. I'm just doing copy and paste. And for this, I'm saying show sales. Done. All of you clear till here? Sneha, total profit as sum profit, ratio profit as total profit divided by total sales. Correct. Correct, Sneha. Correct, Sneha. Go ahead. You're going in right direction. Fatima, is that clear so far? Now, what you have to do, you have to call bookmarks selections. What it will give selections? Selection will give whatever objects we have in our current canvas. It will give. Okay, here I have a two selections. Let me remove this. Uh, delete this. Delete this. Just deleted this too. Come back here. So if you click on this eye icon, it says hide this visual. Let's see. Okay, so this is hiding now. Again, bring it back. Profit by orders. Click on this. You see this eye icon. So if you see here, show and hide. So let's what we'll do. First, we'll hide this profit. Hide this. Now we are capturing this area. Capturing in the sense we'll recording this area and we placing this area into bookmarks called. Click on add. So we are capturing this area. You can name this, rename with show what? Show sales. Yes or no? Because sales chart is here, profit chart is gone, right? So I'm making this as a show sales, and mandatory thing is you have to click on update. That means you are coming out from this procedure. Next, bring it back. Now what is this? This is a sales, right? Let's hide this. It's hidden. Let's capture this screen once again. Add this and rename this as a show profit. Once this is done, you have to come out from this procedure. To do that, click on update. Now you can unhide this visual, right? So what, just do this till now. Once this is done, do let me know. So Fatima, is it clear? Sneha, sure. Where is Sneha? Where is audience? Audience. Just give me a second. Attendance. Yes, Sneha, you can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Yeah, Abdul. So I have calculated this new column sales where it is unit into unit price into quantity. Then I have a new measure which is a total profit sum of all the profits. And then I have calculated one more measure which says total sales sum of all the sales. Okay. Now when I'm trying to calculate the profit ratio, the numbers are not exactly matching. The rest of the numbers are matching, but this number is not matching.
Profit ratio. You see formula, my formula, divide total profit.
Yes, I've done the
Total
similar way.
sales. Okay,
Yeah.
total profit. Let me see from where I got this total profit. Total profit. You see here, sum of order profit.
Yeah, I've done the same way.
Okay, and this is our total sales. So they have written this in SumX formula, but you can bring same results in column also. Okay.
Yeah, correct. So I've created first we have a different column named order into unit price into quantity, and then I've taken that new column and created
Okay.
sum on it.
You see this profit ratio also same.
Yes,
Profit
Abdul.
ratio formula. Divide. Okay, no worries. Go here. Just do a formatting. Have you changed formatting as percentage for this profit ratio?
Just give me a second. I'll check again.
Guys, don't worry if numbers are not matching. That's okay, because this layout and data, I'm not sure whether these both are sync together. What we have data in our place or this data, I'm not sure whether these are
Yeah.
synced. So yeah, so don't worry, as long as you're writing this formula, that's fine enough. Okay, Sharma, is that clear?
No, Abdul, it didn't help.
No, your formula is correct, this one.
Yeah, this is correct.
Then go ahead, no worries. Don't try to match this number with your report.
But the total sales and total profit number on the, I'm talking about the sales profit and profit ratio by subcategory. In that, the totals, the table, the total sales, total profit, everything is matching. Just the profit ratio is not matching.
Okay, could you share your screen?
Sure.
Sneha, right?
Yeah.
Sneha. Fatima, you can speak out.
Yes, hello Abdul.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Uh, After creating the two buttons and the two graphs,
Mhm.
I just clicked on the total sales button.
Mhm.
Then, then how do I deselect the graph like total profit by year?
Just give me time, coming to your place. Total profit,
Okay, fine.
total sales. Let me check total profit. Profit ratio is profit ratio. No, wait. This is, hold on. This is not a measure, right? You just calculate it through a column. We have to write this in a measure. Okay. Here, click on this new measure.
Yeah.
Now here, write a formula. Total, what is that? Profit ratio. Divide, okay. Numerator, total profit, comma, total sales. Now, you follow syntax. Sneha, follow
Mm.
syntax. Follow
Okay.
syntax. What syntax is saying?
I
Follow
don't know
syntax.
what one. Sorry.
No. You have written correctly, but
Okay.
just follow the syntax. Syntax,
No, this
you see right above, there is a numerator, right?
right. So this is the
Ha,
numerator, right?
numerator, right? Numerator. Then what is the syntax saying?
Denominator. Okay.
No, you have to give a comma. Earlier, what you
Yeah.
have done, you used that slash. Okay,
Okay.
close the bracket. Okay. Now you bring this measure. Now you have what you have to do. You have to convert
Format it.
into percentage. Yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
How do you do that? You select that measure. Perfect.
Okay. And Abdul, one basic query basically over here, this visualization. So basically, um, I created this, these three columns were existing, order ID, region, and returned.
Okay, you
And then
you
I
have
want
taken
to
on.
count. Yeah, so I've created this column. So what went wrong over here? I'm not sure. Because it is giving the same value for all the regions.
For all the regions.
Yeah. So it should be
Written
like,
order ID.
right, for SQL, can you count return of that order ID for a region? That kind of that way we have to do.
You just okay, because there is written order ID. Just give me a second.
Hmm.
Count order ID. This order, from where did you get this count? This is a written order
No,
ID.
I've created it.
You're trying to count it.
Yeah.
Just close this one. Delete this one. You do one thing. Delete this one. Give a try once again. Count order ID. Order ID. Do you have order ID in this? Yeah, you have
Yes, I
order ID
have.
also. Yeah. Just give a
So I
count on
create a
this.
new measure, right?
Yes. Guys, I'm not in hurry, so don't worry. We'll see everything. Order ID. No, we should. Okay, returns order ID.
Same thing.
You just hover your mouse there. 1079, 1079, 1079. Count. Market. Ha, madam. From where you got this market? From where did you get this market?
Market is in the
Please.
order table, but then
Correct. Market is from order table and this order ID from
a
return table.
return table.
There is no relation between these two tables. That's why you are getting unique values. If you go to
No,
model,
but I have created a relation.
go there. You see, we see return table order ID. Okay, double click on this. Many to one single order ID. Okay, okay, this is correct.
So this was not there existing. I created it.
You're filtering on with market.
Yeah.
Okay, should make it as a should as no. Let me give a try from my end. No worries. Okay,
Sure.
okay, guys. Any others? Fatima, you had an issue, right?
Hi, Abdul. Even I am in the same. I'm
Yes,
stuck in the
Abdul.
same place.
Okay, now we'll go one by one. Let me do this here. This is my order table. This is market, and this is my order IDs. You just simply bring this order ID into these values. Don't count. You just bring it into this order ID, and relation is same. As I said, relation is with same. Sneha and others. Could you just place this order ID directly into values? And just do let me know. Okay. Olu, could you just give a try? Huh. You see, here we have written order ID. We have in both. Cross filter is both. You see, Sneha? Will you just give a try? And Rizwana, what was your question? Is it resolved?
No, actually, the buttons.
Buttons. Okay. Sneha, is that okay? I'm removing the screen. Okay. Here, Sneha, in your case, you have to say, yeah, both, and give a try. We'll see. Now, let's see, Rizwana, if I go to sheet page 2 here,
Oh, can
is
I
it
share
clear
my
so far?
screen?
No, is it? Okay, please. May I know who is this?
Rizwana.
Fatima Rizwana, yes. Make presenter. Yes. What about others? All are on same track? Rizwana, that's okay. We'll directly go to that bookmarks.
Okay. This one after. After choosing the total sales.
Okay, click on show. You have to hold control key and click on total sales. Hold control key and total sale. Let's see the functionality what we have exist. There is nothing. Okay, you're not
Control key
configured.
again.
Okay, you're not configured those. Okay, no worries. No worries. You click on the
Yeah.
show sales in bookmark. You click on show sales. Click on show profit. What's happening here?
So
Nothing is happening.
I did something. Yeah, the hide
Okay,
something.
you do one thing. Just delete this bookmarks. These two bookmarks. Delete.
Wait.
Delete. Okay.
Yes.
Delete. Here you see one icon. Okay. Here you have it two graphs. Years and sorry, profit and sales, right?
Hmm.
So let's click on sales first. Sales by year. Where is sales by year? This one. Click on
The
it.
chart.
Just yeah, this one. So hide this
Okay.
one. Hide this icon. Now
Okay.
you have to capture this area. Go to add bookmarks and click on add. Rename as a show profit because we want to show profit, right? Here we have already profit. Somewhere we just hiding sales.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you now update. Click on update. Click on update. Perfect. Now you just stepped out from this procedure, right? You can unhide
Yeah.
this sales chart also. It will not impact your bookmarks. Unhide it. Yeah. Click on it. Right. Now you want to hide profit, right? That's it. Now again capture this one and say show sales. Rename. Click on update. Perfect. So now you can make it visible this profit also, this visual. No
Okay.
worries. Right? Now these are visible now. Now you
Hmm.
have to configure this buttons.
Yes.
Click on button, total sales button. Go to
Uh,
actions. Go to actions.
actions.
Here, right hand side. Right hand side. Format. Here you see the format for
Okay.
here you see actions at last.
Okay.
Click on it. Here we'll see action type. Type equal to back. That means if you click by default that button is back button. So now you
Hmm.
have to choose bookmark. You're configuring this button as a bookmark. Click on bookmark.
Okay.
So now which bookmark you have to trigger if you click on that
Hmm.
button? That name you
Shows.
have to mention here.
Okay.
Click on that. That is called
Okay.
show
Show
sales.
sales.
Same. Now click on second button. Now that's it. Finish. Click on second button. Now when you click on the second button, what has to be what should be happen? It should first configure
Trigger.
as a bookmark. Type should
Okay.
be a bookmark. Which bookmark you want to trigger? Show sales. Show sales, no?
Show
Show profit.
profit.
Okay, show profit. Okay, that's it. Now here in development phase, you have to hold control key to see the functionality. But when you upload this report into servers, then you don't need to hold control key.
Okay.
Just hold control key and see.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
And
can
one
play.
more thing. This one.
Mhm.
Yeah, I got it. This one, here I could find this so many decimals here. I'm trying to make it as 2 decimal, but still I'm not able to get it.
Click on this. Click on this visual. Go to format. Go to here, right hand side visuals.
Okay.
Click on here. You just type decimal. We'll see we have a decimal or not. Oh, okay, we don't have. Click on that visual. Okay, no, we don't see it.
So should I check on the measure? Total
Just
sales.
give it a try. You see here, it's in auto. You make it as a 0.
0?
0 or 2,
Okay.
it's up to you.
Got it. And how do you make that profit as a bar? That we should make it in the properties, is it?
Yeah, I will show you. I will
Okay.
show you all.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Guys, any other queries? Let me make my presenter. Make presenter. Show my screen. Yeah. This is stream app, right? Olu, what you have to do? Simple. Guys, don't worry. Just drag and drop. You see here, I will show you. This is how you can do this. Just pay attention. Look at my screen. Okay. So this is regions we placed, profit also we placed. If you click on this drop down, here you have a conditional formatting. Okay. So conditional formatting, if you go to data bars, right, you will see same thing. We have seen this in our classes also. So by default, it's taking blue color for positive values and red color for negative values. This is a bar direction, left to right. Getting? From where I can get this? Click on this measures. And here conditional formatting. You can do conditional formatting on background. You can do conditional formatting on font color, bar color, icons, everything. So here it's a data bar. Getting? This is how you can do this. If you see here, what they have done in this chart, they brought this profit 2 times, total profit and profit. Okay, you can bring your measure n number of times in your visual. That's okay. For one time, they just displayed this number here. For first time, they just displayed the number. But when it comes to second time, they have done some conditional formatting. In this case, where it is, yeah, here, in this case here, condition formatting, again data bars only. This is also data bars. Click on it. Here you will see one icon called show bar only. That means it will not show any number. It will simply show bar. If I uncheck this, you will see numbers also. Again, what is the use of having numbers? We are just duplicating this column, right? So for that, they just clicked on this show bar only to see only a bar. Is that clear? Okay, Kiran, may I know your issue? Kiran,
Hello.
yeah, hi.
Are you able to see my screen?
No, I have to make you presenter.
Okay.
Kiran, let me make you presenter. Make presenter. Presenter.
Now you are able.
Yes, I can able to see your screen now.
Actually, I have an issue. I this dotted square is on.
Click on
This,
format. Click on format, or just click on view. No, here. Home insert is a, yeah. Click on view.
yeah, page view.
Ha.
Okay, okay. Thanks.
Okay, welcome. Guys,
Hi,
any other
Abdul.
queries? Yeah, hi.
Prashanti here.
Ha, Prashanti.
Can you make me presenter once?
Sure, why not? Yes, Prashanti.
So how can I change this to percentage? Abdul?
Percentage.
Yeah.
Here you got very big number, madam. Could you show me your profit ratio formula? Again,
This
you
one.
have created one calculated column here. It should not be calculated column. It should be a measure. Okay.
Oh,
If you see the icon, guys, just look at icon here. This icon talks about characteristic of your variable, or it could be, you can call as a this profit ratio. Okay, for measures you will get calci icon. If you created column with DAX, right, you will see icon something like this. Getting? You have chosen here create column, madam. You
okay.
click on those three dots, create measure. Yes, now you write the same formula there. Now it's a measure now. You see the moment when you say measure, icon got changed.
But when I'm trying to write here, it is not allowing the
What is numerator here? Sales, profit. Where is profit?
total profit, right?
Say sum of profit, or before that you should write profit into a measures. Give it a try, no worries.
Hi, Abdul.
Hey, hi.
Could you please help me with the bookmark? I still didn't get it.
May I know who is this?
Meghna.
Meghana, no worries. Rahul, you see, Prashanti calculating now. Don't use sums. Okay, no worries. Give it a try.
Is it correct, Abdul?
Just go ahead. Here you should not say quantity. What is the formula for ratio? Profit divided by sales, right? Then why you are giving quantity here?
So sales are calculated from unit price and quantity only. So here I calculated using calculated this one. That's the reason.
Here,
I'll
if you say
change.
quantity, right? No, if you say quantity, you are dividing your profit with quantity. That's wrong. Profit ratio formula is profit divided by sales. Sales amount, you give total sales there. Yeah. You remove that sum also. Sum is not required. You see my screen now. Guys, look at my screen. That's okay. If you're making mistake, that's okay. If you make mistake, then only you will learn. Otherwise, you cannot learn. What is first step? Total profit, total sales. Here they have used this function called SumX. You can go on mute, Prashanti. Yeah. If you see here, these are total sales. What is the total sales? Try to understand. Unit price multiply with quantity. All right. You can get this through a calculated column by directly going this data view. You can introduce this column one way, and another way is SumX. By using this SumX also, you can get both the results. Okay, I'm sure you all taken this method. You introduce one extra column in your data view. That is fair enough. Now what you have to do, you have to get the profit. This is profit. You can sum this profit as a measure. That's okay. You can do this something like this, sum of profit. That's okay. Or else even if you don't write this, even that's okay. So in what is the profit ratio now? This is simple, max. Profit divided by sales, total sales, right? Then you will get the percentage, profit ratio or profit percentage, I would say, not ratio. If you say ratio, then I think you are confusing this. This is a profit percentage, let's say. So how you can calculate that profit ratio? If you see the formula here, profit ratio, simply total profit, total sales. These two are measures here also. Getting? Don't confuse, just give a try. Maintain very low pace, no need to hurry, go with low pace. Okay, Meghana,
Yes,
have you
Abdul?
created, yeah, have you created a setup?
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
you created two charts? You done
Uh,
with these two
no,
buttons?
no buttons. No buttons. Not yet.
Just create these two buttons. Let me know.
Okay.
Once you create these two buttons, then let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, no hurries. I'm here after 10:30 also. I don't have any time constraint. Raju, Anuja, Anupama, Atul, Reshmant, Deepali, Neena, Nilesh, Sharma, Rahul, Sachin, Saurav. Saurav, I guess you're on track. Siddhika, you're also on track, right? Shekhar, I see Shekhar first time. Sunakshi, Sunakshi also first time. Uh, Kanaka Durga, Vasanti Kanaka Durga Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi. I see today very new names here. Okay, Sharma, no worries. Okay, click on insert, go to button, click on blank. The moment when you click on this, you will get left hand side, topmost left hand side corner. So first you have to bring it. Aha, Shekhar, okay. At last, finally your names are displayed. So now you're not a guest. You're no more guest now. Cool then. Could you just stop doing this project? Can I overtake you this session? Don't worry, I will stay here after 10:30 also. Then Mark is there. No, we don't have Mark here. Guys, can you all just pay attention here? Very simple topics I have to cover. Nilesh, thanks. Guys, just look at my screen. Nilesh, for you, trigger data flows. This is a very best to get some idea about it. Okay. And what else we have? What is Power BI? Let me. This is not that important to know. This is all about Power BI APIs, where you can see the syntax and all. Definitely it's not needed, but still I'm sharing you this link. Okay, don't go through this. Where is questions? Yeah, here. API link. This is one thing. And another thing what I want to highlight, I think all of you having credentials, right? Power BI credentials, PBI user. Yeah. So most of the time, I'm going to use same credentials and I will do refresh periodically. So it will not expire definitely. Okay. That's what I said, Fatima. It will not expire definitely. You can keep on using those. Okay, if it's asking for any approval, right? Don't worry, I will approve. Okay. So I will get one notification to my mobile phone. Today also somebody tried accessing my system. So I approved it. So don't worry. That is one thing. And second thing, there's Azure SQL DB, right? For you to practice, it's always enabled because you already share your IP address. If you're trying to access it from different IP address, so that cannot be possible because I have to allow that IP address. That is second thing. Okay. And third thing is what I would like to highlight here. You see this, where is this? Here. This is a place. Oh, come on. I think you all having this drive link. Here I placed Power BI files here. You see this one? Because in given time, it's not possible to cover all DAX, but other DAX also important to know at least in real time for interview purpose. Okay. So I try to bring as much as possible different DAX here. Just have a look at this after a week also, because I'm going to add few more DAX here. So if you see my screen, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Not this one. Somewhere I place those files in my local drive. I'm still working on it. I'm doing few cosmetic changes. So what I request you all, just have a look on this shared drive. Probably next week, whenever I find free time, then I will place few more workbooks here. Okay. So now also we have around 20 workbooks with different concept. That is third thing. And what else? And what another thing is this project, where it is. Yeah, here you see project. We have one or two projects here. So don't worry about these all timelines and all. So you can see here Power BI desktop installation gateway. So in order to do this, at least you need to have a OneDrive or SQL or shared drive access, SharePoint, anything you can configure this gateway. And Power BI Pro subscription is required. So I already given those credentials, so nothing to worry. You see OneDrive to configure to data refresh. So in our practicals, we have seen how we can do refresh on SQL, right? On premise. So if you have OneDrive, you can go with that. If you have a SQL server already installed, we have seen how we can configure SQL and how we can do gateway configuration. So it's straightforward. So they have given some information regarding the project work and all. You just go through this. It's not a big task, I feel. So simply they said few how much tax amount they paying based on the regions, number of orders received by product category, top 5 customers. It's a filtering part. An order received by various region by various product category and product. Simply these are all charts, straightforward charts here. They're not given any much difficult to do. And here is a data set what you have to do this project. Okay, so even whenever you have a option, whenever you have a queries around this project, feel free to connect with support team. They will help you out. So when you are submitting this project, make sure you should give proper name on your make sure you should give proper name on your Power BI report. So in initial days, we used to have different uh, person who can validate your project, but now onwards, probably from this batch onwards, they assign this task to trainer only. So probably I am the one who is going to evaluate your project work. Is that clear? So make sure to give your best. Anyway, blindly I will approve. Okay, but I may share my feedbacks also, my comments on your dashboard. Getting and how we can enhance our skills. There is a communities, active community we have in Power BI. So just go there and log in and try to see real-time scenarios here. What I request, at least spend 1 hour every day for at least 20 days. So you will get to know real-time scenarios. All pretty much, don't jump into answers. Just try to fix by your own. If you still unable to fix it, just look at the answer. If you just see these all answer for a month, definitely you will clarify their doubts after a month. Okay, and how you can decode, how you can enhance, and how you can get more idea in Power BI, creating dashboards. You see, this is how I learned. You will get too many Power BI sample dashboards online. Just Google it, you'll get it. For example, I think, let me check whether I downloaded any samples. You see, management inside multi-thread dynamic visuals. So I have downloaded this samples from online only. Okay, so if you want to place, just give me a second. Let me place this one also here. So how you can decode this? Very simple. You see here, this is how you can get ideas. So let's assume that the dashboard we got from online. So you don't know how he has done this. You just click on this visual. You will see input used for this visual. You see, you do a operation. If you see here, let me show you something here. How you can decode. Yeah, just hold on. Yeah. Just hold on, Raju. I think Raju is speaking. Just hold on. You see now here total sales, total profit. If I click on total profit, come on. How I removed this one. I removed the bookmark action. But let me show you. You see here, I did operation here. We have actually total sales, 2 buttons for total sales, 2 buttons for profit. So that's how this color is getting changed. Getting? This is a magic they have done. It's a trick. So okay, so when end user clicking on this, he feels that okay, total sale is got deactivated by looking at this gray out color. So if you click on profit, you will see gray, this total sale is grayed out. When you click on total sales, he will see this profit in gray color. Getting, but actually it's not a conditional formatting. He used 2 button for each sales and profit. Okay, this is how you can do a postmortem of report to get some ideas. Again, come here. There is nothing in conditional formatting. If you want to see what he has written, click on this. The moment when you click on this, right, you will see a couple of things. Chart used for this visual. You see here, this is a chart. This is a table he used to get this visual. Guys, following? Guys, yes, no, yes, no. Guys,
Yes.
yeah, I'm just showing how you can do a post-mortem of a report to get some ideas. That's it. Okay. If you see here, this is a one thing what chart is used, you will get to know here. So another thing what you can know, another thing is, if you see here, what kind of measures and dimension he placed in this area. You see here, columns. In columns, he placed region and profit. How he got profit here? Again, don't worry. Whatever he selected, measure and column, the table will be highlighted with this right mark. That means total profit ratio and region are both are coming from this order table. Just go there and you just scroll down, you will see those all are in check boxes. This is how you can do a reverse engineering. Right, if you want to see condition formatting, right click on this measure, click on condition formatting. You will see what kind of configuration he has done in backend. You will get to know. So this is how you will do what do you call post-mortem of a report, or what else? Guys, are you clear? I am just explaining how you can get more insights. If you see this all, if you see at least 10 dashboards, okay, you will get some ideas how you can create a dashboards in real time. It just we are trying to gain some ideas from existing reports. Getting? Just do a post-mortem of your reports. That's it. Rahul, I didn't explain much.
Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
Okay, all adjustment. How you can get top? Yeah, just hold on. How you get top 5 region managers? You see here in filters, guys. We have seen this in filters. Here, place your managers. Here you have a some advanced filtering, basic filtering, top N filtering. You place your top N. On what basis you want to have top managers? I'm saying based on my total sales, I want to have a top managers. You place total sales here. How many you want? Top 10, top 5, top 20. You mention that number. So now what you have to do at last, you have to click on this apply filter to see the change. If you're not clicking on this apply filter, you don't see the change. Getting? Guys, here in filter you have an option to select top 5, bottom 5. I think again to make it more dynamic, I am going to let me check whether I already placed that file. You see here this file, how to get top customer from sales, top student from marks using DAX in Power BI. So here also I have written big DAX here, there you will see more idea. Okay. So, and at last but not least, today I request you all, please take survey, give your feedback. Okay, because I see only 10 people or 15 people are giving feedbacks, due to which score is going very low. I supposed to be a more than 50%, but due to some others, uh, due to other participant, I'm in still 45. Only thing is
Hi,
you are
Abdul.
not giving feedback. Okay, just hold on for a minute. Let me wrap up these questions. Okay, Saurav says again, share this DAX drive link. This is already I have given you very long back. Same link. Where is this? Again for you all. See this link, you already having this. Just give me a second. Guys, just please can you explain? Okay, done. Prashanti. Abdul, how to share the project? Prashanti, once you're done, right, you see there is an option called submit project. But before you submit your project, just call a support team and tell them that you are submitting your report, and make sure your file name should have your name. I know Prashanti, so don't worry. So I know these you all people, but give your best. No, Nilesh. No, this link is for you for lifetime. But guys, you have a right permission also. I request you all don't delete anything, please. If somebody is deleting, then I'm helpless.
Hi, Abdul, Rahul here.
Yeah, go ahead,
One
Rahul.
actually, when I import some visual from Google and we update the report, then after this visual cannot work after some time.
Because the thing is, they should have a proper license and permissions. Even if you see right here, if you go to marketplace, so just sign out from this and try to go to marketplace, you will not see advanced visuals from here.
Okay.
Just do a sign out and you won't see those. So again, thanks for reminding Raju. Guys, so I'm going to place all advanced visuals. Let me share you right away. Batch 2, right? No, I don't have in batch 2. Batch 1 advanced visuals. Yes, here you see I have around 108 advanced visuals. When you will get these visuals, when you have a pro license key, then only you will get visuals. Otherwise you you won't get it. So let me place this file also here in advance. You can take this. These all are not from Edureka team, remember.
So any other option to save permanently in this?
No, you have to purchase license key. That's it.
Okay.
You have to purchase license key. Okay. And
Okay.
let me see, can we, okay. Let me look at the queries now. Can we alert view right on report server to view to few users for specific report? Atul, that is what we discussed in our row level security, right? Based on users, they could able to see their reports. Saurav, I shared the link. Purti, for PBA Pro subscription, do we need to use RGB user credentials? You can use this RGB. This is sufficient to practice. Purti Sharma, if not, can you please share RS desktop credential? So there is no credential for RS desktop, guys. For report server, you don't need to have any credentials. That is your on-prem server. Okay, and RS desktop also really it doesn't need any credentials. Only when you need credentials, when you're trying to upload your files into Power BI services, then you will need to have a credentials. Okay. Please, can you explain the top 5? Okay, sure. Saurav, is that clear? Did you see? Okay, I'm Google Drive link access for limited time for lifetime. Hello, how to share? I don't say lifetime because I have a space crunch, but definitely I will keep it as it is there. Okay. And hello, how to share project? Anuja, I already addressed. Chirag this side. Can I stay on call at last for 2 minutes? Yes, Chirag, you can stay here. Way to share project. See guys, if you go to here, what I request you all just give a call before you submit. You see a submit project. Look at my screen. All right. Yeah. That's it. Okay, Anupama, certification questions. Which certification you're asking about? Okay, now how many days? What, Anuja? Power BI, you want to write this one, PL 300. Okay. Okay, visual folder is not seen. You just give a try now. So PL 300 site, right? What I will give, there is a one website. Okay, what we'll do, Anupama, take this link. Okay, I'm going to place here one notepad where you see the that web URL. Okay, so you will see 80% questions will see from that URL only. I'm where it is, I don't remember what is that, but somewhere it's there. Don't worry about those. No, Anupama, you just guys, this is for all. Okay, as of now I don't have that link. Okay, what I said for you all, I'm going to place here another notebook. Okay, wherein you will see one URL. So if you are trying to attempt PL 300 exam, so if you follow that URL, you will get 80% questions from same link. Is that clear, all of you? Passing mark, not sure, but I have to refer a book because it's recently changed. Initially, we used to have a D100, but online, if you see online, then you will get to know. Okay. And any other queries, guys? Guys,
Hi,
any other?
Abdul, about the
Yes,
bookmark.
bookmark. May I know, is this
Yes,
Meghana?
Meghna, yes.
Meghana, not required. Just give me a second, guys. Just to give me a second. Meghana, you stay here. Just
Yeah.
Hey, Abdul, I had a
800.
question regarding that links file.
Which link file?
Link
Google
file
Drive.
on the Google Drive.
If you see my screen, we used to call as a D100, but it's now as a PL 300. Okay, so this is a breakup of your exam. Prepare the data. 20 to 25 questions coming from prepared data, model the data. Basically, I think you will be getting 50 questions, but I'm not sure. 50 questions for 60 minutes. Okay. So these all are different areas where you will see the questions: preparing the data, modeling the data, visuals, analyze the data, deploy and maintenance, deliverables. Okay, from each areas you will see these many questions around. It's not a big deal, you can crack it. It's not a big task, but at least you have to spend some time before you go for exam. Okay, just close this. DN prepare for data analysis. What is there? Let me share if it is useful for all. No, we don't have call, guys. We don't have a session tomorrow. In fact, we have taken one extra day. There is no material specified. Olu. So anyway, I have given this file here. You see this one here somewhere. I placed that this one, Power BI complete reference. It's not really needed to go through this entire book to just clear your PL 300 exam. What I was saying, I will be placing one notebook here which contains one URL. If you go to this URL and you refer this URL, you will see 80% questions coming from this place. Okay, just give me 1 or 2 days. Rizwan, I don't have any dumps. Okay, and what else?
Abdul, Sneha here.
Ha, Sneha.
Yeah, can you go to the other Google Drive?
Okay, just give me a second. Meghana, please bear with me because today is last class, right?
Sure, Abdul, not an issue.
As I said, I don't have
Hello?
just give me a second.
Sure.
If you see here, I use the same link what I shared you here. Okay, go to PB5X. Here you see advanced visual. Somebody says Advanced visuals is not placed in our Google Drive, but you see here it's already there. Yes, Neha.
Yeah,
Do
can
you
you go
need
to the
this link?
other Google Drive?
Okay,
Google
this
Drive link.
is okay. Here we have
No.
another link also. This is
Yeah.
for our material purpose. I shared in our first class, wherein you will
Right.
see some material. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Huh.
can you open the drive?
Which, oh yeah, it's already open.
Okay, but I could not see it. Okay, over here, can you open the links file?
Links file. This one.
Yeah,
We have two links. Okay.
the first one maybe.
Uh-huh.
Because I was trying to say the links file, links text file, what you show usually on the screen, and this one, it's not matching actually.
Because I keep on adding this all links and all.
Okay, so can you update that over here?
It's all same thing we have there. Oh, no worries.
I mean,
Okay.
this has very few links actually.
That's okay. I will place this one also.
Sure, thanks.
Okay, Meghana, I'm so sorry. Let's see, guys.
Yes, sir.
Meghana, if you have this setup, this
Yes, that
visuals,
one I have done. Yes, visuals
you
are there.
have
Now
this
I
one.
have done the buttons as well. I don't know what to do next.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me look at the audience first. How many we have? Just look at the queries also. Today we have done this project. Okay. Yeah, well, let's just say here. Sorry for asking. Yeah, this is just again, it's a very basic project, guys. Okay, probably you can give it a try. Whatever you have remaining stuff, you can give it a try. No worries. Here in you, if you see Q&A analysis, this is a QA window. By the way, you will see this mini project in our LMS also. If you click on this, dataset 3, right, you will see same file. Getting? You will see same file here also. You can just refer and you see how you can configure best. There is one simple Rizwana, just give me a minute. I will come back to you, because if these people looking at syllabus and they'll say there is a one chapter called analysis detected and Abdul is not told us anything about this analysis. Guys, if you see my screen, I will take only 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. You see this is a plain chart. Let me clear it off. What is anomalies? What do you mean by anomalies? Anomalies. It's a odd numbers, right? It's a odd number. You can call them as a outliers also sometimes. It's a something odd. How you can find these odd numbers? Okay, these anomalies we have, it's supported only for line chart. So I'm just bringing this line chart here. And if you go to our curriculum also, they mention the same thing, limitation. Okay, let me very quickly go this. Just bear with me. I'm going to give you some really nice inputs. Stay here. Here they have mentioned some limitations about Rizwana regarding parameter. Don't see when you upload your report into server. That's more about your front end. Yesterday you asked me this question, right? Yeah, oops, hold on, my dear. What's happening to this? Okay, you can go through that slides. I don't know what's happening to this visual, but there is a limitation. So it will work only with dates, time series data. So I'm placing this order date here. Okay, and I'm placing my sales values, total sales. Total sales. You see now, we'll get some nice chart here. So the moment when we have this time series data, okay, you will see some extra option for this line chart. Here you scroll, go to this analytics visuals. Here you see find anomalies. Turn on. You will see these all are kind of they will call as a anomalies, or you can call them as a outlier. Okay, this is a simple thing where you can say, okay, this something is really went wrong. You see here something called about sensitivity, and here we have a color and markers and all. So these all are comes under statistical terminology they used. So based on sensitivity, these outliers will change. Okay, let me look at your queries. This in-class project, it's not needed to submit. Only your actual project, last project you have to submit. Okay. So here, if you see, this is only one thing we have. Just you can find some outliers. Other than this, you have a something called forecasting also. Let's say I'm taking again this line chart. I'm placing my order date, and again I'm placing my total sales also. Okay, this is makes sense, right? Now let's go to this globe icon. Okay, here you see forecast. If you just turn on it, right, it will give you next year forecast values. You see here we have data till 2015 only, but when I enable this forecast, it's giving next year values also. You see here, let me turn off. Here we have data till 2015 December. The moment when I turn on this forecast, if you look at my screen, 2016 got added. Yes or no? This area is for this area is predictive values. We have again seasonality, confidence level, and forecast length and all. Guys, in real time, we are not. Okay, guys, in real time, we will not do forecasting in this way. You look at my screen now. In real time, this is not that easy to do forecast. They just enable this option. Okay, because whenever we are doing any forecast, right, we have to consider a lot of other factors also. Let me show you what exactly works in background. Guys, you all with me, or I hope you are not boring. Yeah, simple line chart. Are you all boring? Just look at my screen. This is my temperature and this is my sales daily temperature. For example, today we have I'm taking some number normal temperature values. Guys, if you look at my screen, you definitely enjoy at the end of the session. I'm sure. I'm doing prediction in my Excel. Getting? These all are some temperature recorded. And when there is a temperature 32, my sales, ice cream sales, let's consider any simple sale value. So let's say 40, no, let's say 400 sales. This is around 600. This is around 700. Okay, 680. Guys, you all are following me. I'm just taking some random numbers here. Just look at my screen. At the end, you will see what I'm trying to show you. You all understood this area now? Yes or no? Based on my temperature, based on today's temperature, these all are my sales value. Okay, let's look at the relation between these two. You see, it's a relation between these values. It's not linear relation between these two variables. You see now? Somewhere here, my sales went down 48. Where is 48? 480. It should be a 680. Let's put it as a 680 for example purpose. 680. Okay, what is this? 470, 670. Now you see linear regression. This is linear. How it will work in real time? On top of this, we are going to add one trend line. Okay. You see, these are linear regression. So once this is done, what we'll do, we'll bring one formula called y equal to mx plus c. There you will see the magic. Display equation. You see this one? Do you all see my screen? This is the equation we used for predict the number. Okay. What is y? Y is nothing but your temperature. Okay. I'm just giving some value here, 10. This x is nothing but my temperature for the day. Okay. Plus, this is a constant number I have to give. Now, for example, tomorrow, if temperature is 500, sorry, temperature is 50, then what is my sales? My sales would be 723. You see this now? If tomorrow temperature is 45, what could be my sales? 673. If temperature is tomorrow 38, what could be my sales? 603. If my temperature is 25 tomorrow, then what could be sales? Sales would be 473. This is how you can predict the value based on this formula, y equal to mx plus c formula. Is it clear? I'm
We can
just
use the
holding for a minute.
regression analysis feature of XLSL, right?
Yes, this is called regression analysis only. If you go to data, here we have a data analysis to add in.
Add in,
You see,
right?
here also you can go and you can do the regression test. So there also you will see the same formula. You have to just pass the values where it is regression. You see this one, regression analysis.
Mhm.
Getting. So if I want to sell this model to whom, Meghana or Anupama, what they will say, definitely, on what basis I should on what basis I should agree that this is the right number. Okay, if I want to sell my model to Anupama, definitely will say, they will say, why should I pay you? On what basis you are saying that your number is accurate number? Yes or no? That makes sense, right? So what I will do in that case, I will this is your actual. This is your actuals. From last 10 days, you have seen this data. The sales with you only. Now on this day I came and I given this model to you and asking, boss, why not you're using any model to get right number, right prediction? If you know right prediction, what could be your sales tomorrow, then you will stop taking some extra ingredients or extra things from your suppliers, right? Why you are wasting too much money? Simply. So in that case, what I will say, I will apply this formula to your previous sales. You see now the magic. This is your number, actual number. This is coming from my model. I will say, hey, just why don't you compare with my model and your actuals? If you compare these two, you don't see big difference between these numbers. You see, there is a very small variation between my model and your actuals. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is my model number. And this is your actual numbers. Actual numbers is nothing but your last 10 days sales. Then on top of this, what I will say, hey dude, just look at these numbers. You see your actual line and my model line almost going in same direction. There is not much variation between these two. So do you agree that my model is giving right number? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Is it bounced everything? Why I shown you this? What you see here in forecast, don't confuse that you can do forecast by only dragging and dropping this number where it is here. Don't assume that this is a forecast you can do with this. There are a lot of things we have to consider. Guys, is it that clear? If you're still unable to digest this, please revisit this video. Okay. I don't see any answer. That means you all understood this. Okay, then what we can do now? 223 coming from where? Rahul, which number here? This is a formula. That
Yes,
is
sir.
again, Rahul, we are going, yeah, we are going in detail. Let's not go into that direction. That is
Okay.
constant value. Yeah.
Okay.
Deepali, don't you have link? Second link, this one. Acha, Meghana, let's figure it out your query. Guys, if you have any queries, please stay here without any hesitations and all, because I'm glad to help you out. But don't forget to rate, because today is the last session and I enjoyed it a lot, really. Thank you so much for being in my team. I wish you all the best.
Abdul, Prashanti here. One last question.
Huh.
So the project which you showed earlier, that is the project which we need to submit to you, right?
Yes.
In class
Here.
project.
No, in class project is done today.
Okay.
Here there is another project, certification project. You see this my screen?
Okay.
This project you have to do in order to get certification.
Okay.
Getting?
So I cannot see this LMS. Can you navigate me how to go to here once?
Because I have some other credentials, madam. I have a trainer credentials. Probably it's not exactly what you have in your LMS. This is another portal. You see here, I see go to dashboards. You won't
But
see this
Abdul,
go to
we can
dashboard.
also see this in our LMS as well.
Okay, you if that is the case, then
I just checked. I was able to say it.
upcoming. Just so, do you see that project in your
Mhm.
LMS? Don't you see?
No.
It's already
Do you
completed.
want me to
This one.
navigate it for everyone?
You see, don't you see the same? This structure, I think you will see same structure.
Yes, yes, yes.
Go to course content.
Okay.
Then go to this one. You see this here, last one.
1 second. Let me check. Course.
You're welcome, Deepali. Project topic, can we select? Rahul, I didn't get you. Project topic. What do you mean by project topic?
Abdul, Anupama here, Abdul. Thank you so
Hey,
much.
hi, Anupama.
Thank you so much. I'm dropping off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Most welcome, madam.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Take care. All the best. Okay. Olu, do you have any queries? Please do let me know.
The project from course content, or I want to know the project we have need to submit. This is
So,
from course.
as soon as you complete, then you will get good certification at earliest. Don't prolong that. Okay, if you prolong it, then you will eventually you will forget what you learn also.
No, I want to know the today we have done the project.
It's
We
a
need to
in-class
submit.
project. No, it's not
Okay.
required to submit. It's a in-class project. That's it.
Okay. So which subject we need to prepare the project? Can you please show?
Sorry. Yeah, I'm here only, right? Go to course content. You see this one? Your certification
Okay,
project.
I'm still not.
Guys, if you have any queries regarding this, you can come back to this video, today's session, and you can
Abdul,
easily understand.
Abdul, this is Rashman.
Yeah, Lakshman.
Rashman, Abdul, like I asked you about the
Rashman.
case study, right? I have a small doubt.
Okay, which case study, sir?
Like today's, like it will be mentioned 8 and today's I guess it's the second case study we are doing.
Could you just elaborate?
Yeah, actually,
Just
like today there's a case study which is due.
no. Today, what we discussed. Today, you're talking about certification, PL certification.
No, 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 no. I'm not talking about the certification project. We have to submit some case studies, right? Where in
This
the
is what.
course.
Yeah, this is certification project. What you have to submit. Other than that, you will be having few quizzes also. I guess. I think you're talking about this quiz.
Not about the quiz. There are some few case studies like assignments which they've been giving
Oh,
us to complete.
oh, I see. I am not aware about it. What I know only you will be having some quiz here, and at the end you will be having one project to get your certificate. That's it.
Like, okay, and this assignment kind of thing. I have a small doubt in that. Like, it's not a big doubt. It's a small doubt.
Okay.
If you
Case
make me a
studies
presenter,
where
I can ask. You can
yeah,
show and
Olu, I'm sharing my screen. Olu, there are case studies. Okay, where we have case studies, guys? Because I don't see those case studies.
Module 8. Module 8.
Where? Module 8. Okay, module 8.
8, yeah.
Course. In module 8, we have a case studies. Okay, this one.
Yes. I have questions on
Okay.
that too.
Okay, just give me a second. You work for bike equipment company and have been asked to analyze the sales data. You need to build a dashboard to compare monthly store sales. Source key. Okay, what is your question here?
So I
Like in the
was
problem,
doing it. Okay, sorry.
if you'll go to the case study in the fifth page, I guess it's in the fifth page.
Oh, we have pages. Okay, just let me download this.
Yeah. You can directly open it.
No worries. That's okay. This is 1, 2, 3.
Abdul Sneha here. Even I had a doubt regarding this case study.
This is only for practice, I guess.
Yeah, but if you go to
Advanced
the page 2,
Yeah,
page
yeah.
2 over there.
Let me go one by one.
Yeah.
Advanced analytics in Power BI using
Abdul,
R and Python. Load the data. Create a new Power BI desktop file. Okay. Download the sales. Okay. This is just importing data from this access file.
yeah. They've given the
Filter the
steps
employee
to
table to
like
only include sales people. Yeah, just on. Filter the employee table to only include sales people. Add a name column that combines the first name and last name. You have to combine these two with concatenate function. Okay.
Yes.
In the sales table, use the order date key to create a order date column. You have to use month column here, order date key to create a order date. Okay, because the order date key is a format YYMMDD. You have to use this function to get
That was
order date.
not clear.
Yeah,
Function
Abdul,
to create order.
I could not get that function correct. Dates
This one
dot from
here,
text.
this one.
Yeah.
Let me show you where you can get it. Transform data. There are many ways to get this what you call this year, but whatever you feel easy, you can make use of it.
actually what they given is they given the order date key in the form of text, so it was difficult to extract it from.
That's how you will get in real time also. That's how you will get in real time also. New column.
If you don't see this here, you probably can see it in transform. Yeah, no worries. It's there here. Here. You see here, this is a place where you can add that formula, date, else you have date from text. Do you all see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
From where can I get this function? Go to transform query editor mode. Here in add columns, click on custom column. Here also you can write calculated column. Getting? Sneha, Raju, Olu.
Yes.
You there, Siddhika?
Yeah, I'm here.
Here you can go. What else, guys? Can I have your sir? Can
Question
you
5.
please? Olu, you got it?
Abdul in the
Do you mind finishing it up and let's see if it's gonna work? I try
No worries, no worries. Raju, is that clear?
Thank you.
Raj Kumar, you already unmuted. By default, all are unmuted. You have to unmute yourself. Raju Kumar, you have to unmute yourself. Okay. Vivek Sandeep, is it clear there was a case? Oh, okay, sir. Can you please again show conditional formatting? Sure, Rahul. Just give me a second. Megan, are you there? People are keep on asking same questions. Where we have to submit projects.
In the same way we are submitting the homework, it's the same way we have to submit the application project, right?
I know who is this?
This is Shahana. Siddhika.
Could you repeat? Yeah, Siddhika, could you just repeat once again?
In the same way, the homework we submit, the same way we have to submit the certification.
Exactly. So what I was trying to say, you see here, project where it is a certification project is there, right? You see this? Here you have a project description in project.
Right.
Here you have a data set. So once this is done, you will see submit project here. Now I'm in 8th module, so you will see submit assignment.
Yeah.
So before you submit your project, just call to support team and tell them that you are submitting your project. Okay, what they will do, they will assign a trainer to review your project.
Right.
Okay, once your project is through, then you will be getting one certification. Is that clear, Siddhika?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Can you see your message?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Abdul.
Abdul Raju this side.
Abdul, I've been
Just give me a second.
Hello.
Questions. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, go ahead.
Hello.
Abdul Rashman.
I have the Raju this side.
Ha, Raju, go ahead.
I have a very small, not more than question. I have that. What is a page navigation, and how can we use in a
Ha, thank you so much. No worries. This is right. Page navigation is nothing but moving one page to another page. You see?
Can we
Now,
connect with the chart also?
not chart, because chart anyways it will be staying in one sheet, right? You see this one? Okay. Insert a this one. These all are button by default. You can configure like anything, whatever you want to. Let's take a blank. This is a blank, right? Now, if you see this actions, enable this. These are types. You see page navigation. You see this one? Was me, Rajkumar, right?
Yes, yes, Raj.
Rajkumar, you see this page navigation? If you click on this page navigation, you have to mention which page it has to go when you click on this button.
Okay.
Getting?
No, additional question that can we connect this navigation to any chart? Either we can just connect only page also.
Chart cannot independent, right? Chart is always in
just like in sales summary, I have a more than chart. So can I connect with that button?
No, you
When I'm
cannot
clicking
connect
this?
with that. No.
Can
No,
only page can be navigate.
Page navigation. So here also you have one inbuilt feature also. Where it is, let me show you. Insert. Guys, any other questions? Meanwhile,
Abdul.
Ha.
This is Rashman Abdul. I've been waiting.
Yes, go ahead, buddy.
Abdul, in the same case study page, if you go to the fifth page, there's my doubt.
Okay. Model number 8. Okay. Create the model after importing the tables.
Yeah.
Create. Okay. Rename the table column
Create
and
the
show
model.
the hidden. Okay, wait. Create the model
Hidden
after importing. Just hold on. Let me read out. Rename the table column and show or hide the column from client tools according to the information listed in table. Okay. After renaming and hidden any key, format the cells. Okay. What you have to do here? You see this. Here you have an option to hide your where they asked us to do.
Yeah, actually, I did the thing, but I couldn't understand. Like they X-mark the things, right?
Yeah, simply if you hide it right here, you don't see this column in your data view here.
Yeah, I understood that, but they've X-marked. Like, should we hide the columns which are X-marked, or should we leave them and hide the rest of the columns? That's my question.
When you say X, you have to hide them. Okay.
Okay, and if it's blank, I should leave them, right? Yeah, that was the question. Thank you.
Sales rep. That's it.
As it was marked as X, I didn't understand whether it's a checkbox or should they do that. Yeah, that's
okay.
it. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Abdul, Sneha here.
Hi.
One last question. Can you go to that class project?
Class project, okay.
Yeah. No, I mean in the desktop. Power BI desktop.
Yes. Power BI desktop, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So this the line chart which you was showing some time back. Is it something different line chart because I'm not able to replicate it in my desktop?
This is not
No, no, not
replicated.
this one.
I mean,
No,
this
not
one
this one. The other one on page 3.
here, what I drawn. Yeah, what I here. So here,
Yeah.
if you see my ordered column, right, it does
Mm-hmm.
not, it doesn't have any hierarchy within this. Where it is, you see here, we don't have any hierarchy. That's why when I place this order item into x-axis, right, it is given granular level of days. These are all
Oh.
days.
Okay.
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 If you
Yeah, but
have
if I have
hierarchy in
that.
your, yeah, if you have your hierarchy in your data set, right, you can turn into the day. So if you say day, you will see the same kind of structure.
Oh, okay. I get
Here you
you.
will see year, month, quarter, right? You just remove
Yeah.
year, month, and quarter. You will say just skip day. You will see same kind of chart.
Okay, I get you. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay,
Abdul,
Olu, just
should
look
we
at your
submit the
query.
class also?
What? Could you repeat once again?
Yeah, where should we submit the in-class project, Abdul?
In class, did I say to submit in class project?
Yeah, I was out and off, that's the reason.
Nobody. It's not required in class project to submit. Only you have to, yeah, you can submit if you want, really. That's okay, but it's not required. To get your certification, you need to work on different project. Okay. In class project
Okay.
is nothing but we are doing in class. Okay, clear, Raju?
Just a practice.
Are that's okay, buddy. Olu, if you see here,
Yes. This
Sneha,
project.
okay,
Sorry.
that's okay. Just give me a
What's
second.
question 5?
Yeah, Sneha, thank you so much. Bye bye. All the best. This question, module number 5, right here. You want me to read out this one? Create the model.
No, not the create model. I mean, in the question 5. That's number 11.
Question
So I had
5.
issue trying to figure
This
it
one?
out last
Yeah,
time.
this one?
Yes. Yes.
The sales quotas are kept in Excel workbook called sales quotas. Okay, you have one Excel workbook called sales
Yes.
quotas. In the use case to import the data using the Excel source and select the sheet for each year. Okay, you have to select each year, every sheet from there in this Excel workbook for each year. Once the data is imported, you should see a query for each year. Yes, you need to add the year column to each year. Yes. So this
Yes,
is
I
we
did
have seen
that.
this is we have seen in append, right? This is called
Yes, it
append
didn't work
query.
for me.
Yeah, you
It
have to
didn't
append
work.
this. Once you append this all workbooks, right? Only what you
Yes.
have to do. So here you see append queries. Click on this append query, or you can take anything. You will see all files here, 3 or more. You see all sheets here. You have to
Yes.
just select add all. You have to add them in one workbook. One query will be created. That's it.
Yeah, I did that, but it was complaining because for each year, same person had some sales in quarters, so it was complaining of duplicate. And then what the problem was is that in that sales quarter they have 4 tables and there was no any column to calculate the year. So whenever I did that, it gives me 1905 as the year is. It's been crazy. I was on it all night, so it didn't work out.
Okay, because I have to look at this data because I never had a chance to see this
Abdul,
data as well. Okay.
Abdul, actually, I did that. Should I say?
Please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, what you have to do is once you import 3 or 4 sheets from the sales quota Excel workbook, you have to manually arrange a column. Like you have to give a custom column with a heading of year, and you just need to give a value like depending on the worksheet you are in, you just had to add the value like 2013, 2014. That's it, and you will have a new column with the same year for the whole column. Whatever the rows they are, you will have the same rows. That's
So
okay.
Reshmanta, if you are pretty clear, and all if you are not so clear, right? So for you all, we have a something called discussion board in EduRec also. Okay, let me
Okay.
go here. You see discussion forum. So if
Mm.
you have any queries, anytime you can post your query here. People will address your query.
Okay. How
Okay,
long do we
all
have access to this? Because this is the last class
this is lifetime access.
to the
Lifetime
LMS.
access. Yeah, no
Lifetime
LMS and
access?
everything you will get lifetime access.
Okay. Because I was trying so hard to figure it out, then I clicked on the help button.
Don't put lot of efforts. We are easygoing people here.
Somebody told me I'm not signed up with Edurica. Like my account is not in the database. I was like, really? So I'm not sure if after today I'll be able to access it. I don't know what's going on, but I'll
Hey,
try.
that's okay. Whenever you have any query, just drop an email to support team. They will help you out. Okay.
All right, I'll keep
No
figuring.
worries. We are very easy people.
Okay.
And Rahul, still there?
Hello.
Yes, Rahul.
Yes, I just want to know the condition formatting.
Condition formatting, it will do a format based on your condition. Point number one. Okay, how we can do? Come to this here. We have a good features, inbuilt features. Most of the time, our task will be done based on this inbuilt features. You see here, you placed one measure. Click on this measure. You see conditional formatting. So there
Right,
are
sir.
5 options. One is background color. That means based on your condition, background will be changed. Okay. For example, if you want to make it a green color, if target is achieved, then you can make green background. Okay. Font color means
Yes, sir.
based on your condition, this font color will be changed. Data bars is nothing but this bars. You see, icon. If you remember, in our third or fourth class, we have done icons. Dedicatedly, we have done.
Right.
So this is the place where you can do condition formatting.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yeah.
Welcome. Okay, guys. I wish you all the best once again. And
Thanks a lot, Abdul, for
Thank you,
the very
sir. Thank you.
informative classes.
bye. Take care.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Take care. Same to you.
Good night, sir.
Good night.